The House of Representatives has rolled out a free shuttle service to help commuters weather the storm of rising fuel prices. The program aims to ease the burden on students, workers, and senior citizens, giving them a helping hand on their daily commute between San Jose del Monte and Quezon City. Our Vel Custodio tells us more.
The biyaheng Tamayan libreng sakay mula sa Kongreso is now on the road. Among those who benefited from the program is 72-year-old caregiver Jaina.
60 ng 60 ako araw-araw eh. Ang pamasahe ko papunta pabalik. Minsan, paggabi na ako umuwi, 80 ang aming pamasahe papunta rin sa amin. Kaya minsan nilalakad na lang namin. Kaya malaking bagay din para sa aming mga kapos na maka-libre na ganito. Kaya laking pasalamat din namin sa gobyerno na meron din silang ganitong mga project.
Meanwhile, college students January and Princess usually spend around 40 pesos on fare. With a free ride initiative from the House of Representatives, they can now save their money.
Super helpful po kapag may mga libreng sakay, especially marami ng gastusin ngayon. Iba pang paglalaanan yung money na dapat pamasahe, magagastos pa sa ibang pamamaraan.
Kagaya na.
Kunwari po, expenses sa school, ambagan sa school, food din po, allowance.
Ganun din naman po sa expenses sa school and sa mga bagay na pwede pang mabili po, mga kailangan sa araw-araw.
The program is a response to the continuing increase in oil prices, which has affected transport fares and daily expenses of Filipinos. 4 buses from House of Representatives will operate from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. They will travel to Welcome Rotonda in Quezon City and back to Fairview Terraces. Trips will run from 5:30 to 8 o'clock in the morning and from 4 in the afternoon until 7 in the evening every Monday, Thursday, and Friday.
Ang House of Representatives po sa pangunguna ni Speaker Faustino Bogie III at ni Majority Leader Sandro Marcos ay nag-alok po ng libreng sakay mula San Jose del Monte hanggang Welcome Rotonda at Welcome Rotonda hanggang Fairview Terraces tuwing Lunes, Huwebes at Biyernes. Ito po ay alay namin na pag-alalay namin sa bigat na dinadala nating lahat dulot ng krisis sa enerhiya o na bunsod ng kaguluhan sa Middle East. Makakaasa po kayo na patuloy na aalalay ang House of Representatives sa ating mga kababayan.
The free ride program of the House of Representatives will continue as long as fuel prices remain high and transport costs continue to burden commuters. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.